Want to know how to log out of Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and step-by-step guide how you can easily log out of Wish in just a few clicks. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your favorite web browser and type in wish.com, and this will divert you to the Wish's official website right here. Now once you're there, make sure you are logged in as well, and on the top right side you should be seeing a new profile icon right here. This will be right beside notifications. Just simply select it, and now once you select it or hovered on it, here you should be seeing various options. Now since we want to log out, right below settings all the way down you should be seeing log out right here. So you can just simply select it, and once you're done that, you should be logged out of Wish just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and continue with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.